What's up, YouTube? We're leaving the Magic House here, and we're headed to a Goodwill store that I don't think we've ever been to. We're in downtown Kirkwood, and we are looking for this Goodwill that's actually down here, and I saw it on the map, and I don't think we've ever been to it, have we? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. So we're going to maybe do some filmage inside there and see if we can find some little quick deals. So we were here about a year ago. I will be?
Yeah.
No, the phone changes.
Okay.
It'll change.
Okay.
So we were here, and Sarah had found a yellow tracksuit, but you found the jacket to it.
It was an Adidas jacket from
Old
like the
school.
70s, like white and blue tag. It was old,
and it was worth some money. And there was another girl I saw that had the pants in her shopping cart, and I asked her, I was like, oh, you know what, Sarah over here, I was pointing to her, has the jacket. Are you sure you want to get those pants or something? I think I even offered her more than what she was going to pay. I think I offered her $10 for the pants in the store and said, could we get those please? And she's like, no, I really want them. I'm like, but we have the jacket, like we have the pair. And we didn't end up getting them, but
the cashier
even said something too.
Yeah, the cashier said she was going to charge the girl full price because the girl shouldn't have split them up. And an employee tried to go get the pants from her, and she wouldn't give them up either. So they said they'd charge her the full tracksuit price of like $12 just for the pants, and she charged me like $2, I think, for the jacket,
which is already under
what and
they normally would charge.
And I know I sold it rather quickly. I think it was like $60 or something, but I could have got at least $100 for the whole thing because it was really old. It's the oldest piece of Adidas I've found.
So anyway, we'll go in here and see what we can find this time. I don't remember what I found here last time. I know I found some light bulbs, but nothing to sell. Maybe a hat. But it's been a year since we've been here, so we'll go check it out and see if we can find something else.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away, ever since the day that you went away, sending, you went away, ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again.
So I ended up spending $56. Got quite a few things. I wrote down everything I got here, and I figured up I didn't have this fossil bag, on there yet. I looked it up, and I'll probably get about $30 or $35 for the laptop bag. So 56 into about $3.75 or so. Not too bad. Got this spider jacket. It's a good brand to look for. PS2 Slim. Pretty good. I'll test that out at home. And some Adidas pants. Some J. Crew pajamas. Some Abercrombie and Fitch jeans. And a tracksuit. And then this bag here is Sarah's. And then I found this Samsonite bag. Shouldn't be too bad. It's really clean though. And then this is that rain gauge that was brand new. I looked it up on Amazon also, which I'll decide whenever or where I want to sell it then later when I list it. So thanks for watching.